Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to our 10th Around the World Block of the Month destination. This month we're traveling to Seattle, Washington, here in the United States. In this video, I'm going to share tips to help you piece your block. This month's block features the Space Needle. This iconic piece of architecture was built for the 1962 World's Fair. In addition to this video, please be sure to refer to the tips included in the pattern, as well as other links below, including a foundation paper piecing video tutorial and previous month's videos. Let's get started. In order to achieve the tall trestles in this tower, this block has some skinny sections in the paper pieces. But if you follow all the tips in the previous videos, including the foundation paper piecing tutorials, and go slow, you'll do great. As you have in previous blocks, be sure to match the dots when joining the paper pieces together. This will help you keep your tower symmetrical and will help you align the columns in the tower. Just a reminder that using superfine pins rather than chunkier pins will help you be more accurate with your alignment of pieces. I can't wait to see your Seattle blocks come together. Thanks again for being here and for sewing along with us. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And also be sure to share your progress on Instagram using the Around the World hashtags found on the pattern. That way we can check out what you're working on. See you next month and happy sewing.